Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. So today's video is going to be a pretty big empties. The little container that I store my empties in is literally like overflowing. I have been waiting to do this for so long and today is finally the day. So if you are wondering though, I did film this tutorial today. It will probably be up before this video, so just go check it out, or I'll have a card. But if you want to see all these empty products in here, then please keep on watching. So a lot of this stuff is literally overflowing, so I'm probably gonna start with that stuff first, and then there's a lot of repurchases I've already repurchased in here and just some stuff that I liked or didn't like. So starting out first with some Skin Therapy Moisturizing Shaving Gel. I'm not a huge like shave gel person. I've never really been. The only time I ever used like shave gel like this is when I first started shaving my legs when I was like, I don't know, 12, 10, I don't know however old I was. My mom made me do it outside on like in the bathtub, and I had to use this. I couldn't shave in the shower. And I'm not a really big fan of it. I want to try, I think it's like the Venus Olay, like it's like a leg conditioner and you shave with it, but it's like a body wash. I want to try that. So it's okay. I have another thing that I'm just gonna use up. You know, it's not bad, but I'm not gonna like repurchase it. This stuff on the other hand, I want to get the big size of. This is the Tresemme Extreme Firm Control Tress 2 Spray Extra Hold All Day Spray. I guess this is what it's called. It says spray on a dry hair section by section 8 to 10 inches away from hair. This is my hair naturally right now. It is literally board straight. There's like a little wave, but not much to it. So I actually spray this in my hair before I curl my hair. That way it gives my hair something to kind of grip onto and hold the curl. It's perfect because it's not like too heavy like hairspray, it can make your curls crunchy. This still lets the curls have a volume and kind of move around, but it lets it hold into my hair better. That way the curls just don't automatically fall. I did use this up, and this is honestly pathetic how small this is. This is the Dry Bar Triple Sec 3-in-1. This is a dry shampoo that texture and volumizes, and I have to say I really did like this. I literally only got one use. There was hardly any product in here. I did get it in a Sephora play, but it was really nice. I don't know the price off of this, like at Ulta and stuff, how much this costs. I'm sure it's up there in the $20 range. I just can't really bite the bullet to get one of these. I don't know, I may, because I'm a huge Batiste lover, but I also love my Living Proof like full dry volume blast or something like that, and this is kind of like both of those in one. So I may buy this and stop buying those. I don't know. It was really nice and I used it, and the smell of this was phenomenal. I also finally finished up my big bottle of Bioderma. I bought this off Beautylish months ago and finally finished it. I actually am already using my new one I ordered off Amazon. The one I ordered off Amazon has that little pump where you can just like push down on it with a cotton pad. I love this stuff. I will forever use it. I actually am looking into one of those face halos right now. It's like those giant like I don't know, it kind of looks like a cotton pad, and supposedly it's up to like 200 uses. You get it wet and you like just wipe all the makeup off that way. I'm kind of looking one of those, but for now I tried and true will always buy Bioderma. It's the best thing. It doesn't irritate my eyes or anything like that. The other thing that doesn't irritate my eyes and that I like to bring when I travel anywhere, these are the Simple Sensitive Skin Cleansing Facial Wipes. I either buy the big pack or I buy the little pack, just because whenever I'm at home I will always use Bioderma, but if I go to my boyfriend's or something, I will always bring like the Simple Wipes if I have makeup on. I absolutely love these. They're quick, easy, they don't leave a greasy, oily residue, and they don't irritate my skin either. This is the Celeve. This is like a pack of masks off Amazon, and this is the honey one. I'm starting to think this is what caused me to break out, because I got a lot of breakouts like on my forehead, and I used this mask the night prior. So I'm going to assume this is what made me break out, but it says it removes impurities from pores, helps maintain moisture, radiant, soft, supple skin, and antioxidants for basically aging skin. It was a nice sheet mask, but I think it caused me to break out. That's the only one out of the pack that has ever done that to me. So, I mean, it's nice to know. It's a bummer because I love sheet masks. Like, if y'all would like to see like a sheet mask collection video, let me know. I don't know if that's ever been done, but I have a lot of them because I really do like them. And then I have this little Nug face mask. This is the exfoliating one with cranberry seed oil and jojoba beads. It gently removes dead skin cells for a smooth, clear complexion. I actually really do like these. I like any type of mask that has like any type of exfoliating beads to it, because it's like a 2-1 for me. You can mask and kind of rejuvenate your skin, but you can also exfoliate your skin at the same time. So I actually really do like these, and there's a lot in these little pods. So yeah, I got mine from Target. I think you buy them from Target, maybe like CVS or so. And then I also did finish the egg white pack for the nose, forehead, and jaw from Skin Food. I have finally figured out the best way to use these and get the most stuff out of your face. If y'all want a video on it, let me know, because when I used these before, I would get a couple blackheads out, you know, on my nose and stuff, but now the new technique I have found, literally I pull every single blackhead out of my nose. It's disgusting, and the strip literally has so much stuff on it. It's so satisfying, but it's so nasty at the same time. So if y'all want a video showing y'all how I get the best results using these, let me know, because I swear by these. I love these so much. Speaking of Batiste, I also have this one right here. This is the Coconut and Exotic Tropical Dry Shampoo. Once again, I love Batiste. I almost said Batiste. I have another can I'm using right now. I honestly want to buy, you know, like the mega one they have at Ulta. I mean, it's like probably 2 of these height-wise, and it's huge. I honestly would love to buy that because I think it would literally last me like months. But I did like the scent of this. It smelled like coconut, so it smelled really good, but you know, it's pretty cheap. It's like $6 to $7 and I love it. And then I also finally finished up this Ponus. I don't know how you say this. It's a gentle foaming cleanser. I actually got this from my dermatologist. I don't even know how long ago, probably a year ago, and I finally finished it up. It was a really nice facial cleanser, but I am currently using the Purity Philosophy facial cleanser, the real soft, like sensitive skin one that's like in the cute little bottle. I'm currently using that and really like that. So I'm not going to repurchase this for a dermatologist, but it was nice. I also have a couple of these like nude, what are these? Nude Advanced Renewal Age Defying Skincare Serum. You can buy these at Sephora, and they're really expensive. I got them at a Sephora Play a while back, so I just use them every once in a while. It is a very nice serum. I have to say that it hydrates my skin very well. I've gotten more into skincare over the past couple months, so I'm just trying out different things, and I like this. I know it's extremely pricey at Sephora, but I feel like when it comes to skincare, it is worth it. You just kind of have to do your research and figure out what's going to be right for you and kind of test things out. And I also did use this sheet mask. This is the Tony Moly Good Luck Mask Sheet in my shade. This is from like their Christmas collection. This was really nice and hydrating too. It has like shea butter in it that delivers moisture, elasticity, and collagen into your skin. So it was pretty nice. Like I said, I just like sheet masks. So you'll probably see a lot of sheet masks in all of my empties videos. Also have some more random little nose pore strips. I have an egg white one, and then I have the Be Your pore strips, which I also really like these. Now that I have my new technique on these, it makes it a lot better to use these and get stuff out. So I have a lot of those, and I finally finished up mascaras. I have been waiting to finish these up for so freaking long. This is the CoverGirl, the Super Sizer Mascara. I really like this mascara, but I've literally owned this for like probably a year, and I know it's just time to get rid of it. It was really nice though, and it was really good for adding a lot of volume at the base of your lashes. And then this Wet n Wild Lash Renegade Mascara, I don't really like this. I feel like it is a very dry formula, and there's not a lot of product that comes out onto the mascara wand itself. I will not be repurchasing this. I just didn't really care for the formula, honestly. This is like a body wash. What is this? It's a bath soap. So I guess it's like a body wash soap or something. I bought this from Marshall's. It's supposed to be a triple like French macaroon smell. I love the box, but this smelled terrible. I literally threw it away because I can't deal with it. It literally smells so disgusting. I don't know if it expired or what, but it just does not smell good. So I would not recommend buying these from Marshalls or TJ Maxx anywhere. Although I currently am almost done using this one in my shower, so I threw the box in here. This is a honeysuckle scented bar soap, and this one's really cute. It actually smells really good. The only thing I don't like about these bar soaps like this is whenever I rinse off the soap, it feels, my skin gets very tight, like it almost strips literally everything off of my skin. So I won't normally have to take like my Jergens in shower body lotion or some lotion afterwards, because my skin gets very tight because it does strip everything off of it. So that's really the only complaint I have with bar soaps like that. Now I do have another sheet mask. This is a snail mask. I don't even know what brand this is from. I guess it's like, Epkin, New York. something like this. I did get these from Marshall's. I've heard that like snail, I don't know, but supposedly snail is like good for like, you know, collagen or aging skin or anything like that. So I just picked up this little thing of masks. I think it came with like 5 of them. I use them every once in a while and they're pretty nice and hydrating. And I finally finished up my last thing of the John Frieda Sheer Blonde Go Blonder Lightening Shampoo. I will no longer be purchasing these because I found a shampoo and conditioner and purple shampoo that's sulfate, paraben, and like gluten-free or something like that. And these have sulfates in them, so I will no longer be purchasing these. I use the Blonde Sexy Hair from that brand. You can buy it at Ulta. They're in like kind of like a golden like big container. I use that shampoo and I love it, so I will no longer be repurchasing these. Ever since I got onto the no sulfate route, I can just kind of notice my hair. It's a lot more softer and shinier, and I mean, the sulfates are missing, so you don't get that nice like bubble rinse lather, because I believe that is what causes it. So you feel like you're not cleaning your hair that good, but you are, and it's better for your hair. I also did finish up this Origins Drink Up Intensive Overnight Mask. I really could have used this last night, honestly, because my skin has been very dry around my nose, and I have this dry spot right underneath this eye here, and I don't know what's going on. This was really nice. If I had nights like last night where I really wanted it, I would have bought like the full size. But I don't ever really have nights where I have like that terrible dry skin. So it was nice as a sample, but I probably won't repurchase it. I would be more prone to purchase their charcoal mask instead. And then I do have a toothpaste. This is the Colgate Optic White Whitening Toothpaste in Sparkle White. I love this stuff. That is how I get my teeth so white. I've used this since my braces got off. I used it before I had braces. I love this stuff with the whitening strips or like the whitening mouthwash. This is the only one I will use, and I really, really like it. And I see results when it comes to whitening my teeth. And then a random conditioner that I had in there that my boyfriend would use every once in a while is the Garnier Whole Blends Coconut Oil and Coconut Butter Conditioner. It was okay. It smelled really good, but it does have sulfates in it, so I just don't really care for it. Like I did say, I am streaming away from like sulfates and all that. And then I did finish the Burt's Bees Herbal Blemish Stick. I love this. I need to repurchase another one. It has, what does it have in it? Flower oil, borage seed oil, parsley seed extract, willow bark, lemon oil, fennel, water, tea tree oil, juniper oil, and eucalyptus oil. This is great, especially if you have little pimples that you just kind of want to rub something out, but you still want to go out throughout your day and you don't want to have like that pink pimple cream on. But this also kills the pimple at the same time. It's really, really nice. You can just rub it on there and go throughout your day. You don't have to worry about it or anything. So I really like this. I believe it's like $7 or $8 at Ulta. And then I wanted to include this in here. It's not a beauty item, but it was for my little dog. And if y'all have any problems like this, you may want to look into something like this. This is the Angel Eyes Natural Tear Stain Powder. I really like this stuff. It is a little more expensive. I actually got it at a like pet place by my house. My little Yorkie Maltese mix has really bad like tear stains right here by her eyes. Her hair turns brown. She gets like eye boogers and stuff that I'm always having to clean. This stuff really worked to take away that brownness. So if you look on Amazon or something, maybe just search Angel Eyes Natural Tear Stain Powder. You may be able to find it there if you have a little dog with the same problem. But it really did work. I think there's around, I want to say like 35 to 40 bucks, but I think it's a really good investment. And this was 2.65 ounces, and I gave probably 1 teaspoon with her serving of food, so it really wasn't a lot. I kind of would just sprinkle it over it, and that was it. I did finish up this Secret Wild Sugar Gel Deodorant. I found my holy grail deodorant, and I will no longer purchase any other deodorant. I think it's from the brand La Vanilla. You can buy it at Sephora and Ulta actually, and it smells so good. I have the lemon scent, and it actually masks my like sweaty smell all day. I know that's disgusting, but as a girl, I sweat so bad, and you can smell it. I don't know why I do. Maybe it's something with my hormones, I don't know, but I can smell my sweat, and I have yet to find a deodorant that masks it like this one does. So that one's hands down my best. And then the last thing, I am actually just going to chunk these because I found a new thing. This is the Nair Hair Remover Cream. I have the moisturizer one and then like the normal one. I no longer use Nair because it literally gave me a chemical freaking burn. That was pretty scarring, and instead I bought this little like, it's like a face shaver thing. I don't know. Let me Google it up on Ulta's app real quick. That way I can kind of show y'all what it is. Okay, so this is what I bought from Ulta. It is the Finishing Touch Flawless Instant and Painless Facial Hair Remover. It's $20. I have the white and rose gold one, and I absolutely swear by this thing. It literally, I just go bzz, bzz, bzz a couple times and it takes all the hair off. It doesn't grow back blacker, it doesn't grow back thicker, there's nothing weird about it, but it gets every piece of hair off, and I don't have to use Nair anymore. I don't have to go through any of that because I think my acne cream with the ingredients in Nair just was not working together. So when I got this, it literally changed my life. This is it right there. So if you want to take a screenshot or something, this is exactly what it is on Ulta. And I have seen these in store. They're actually up by like the register area, so you can buy them in store, but I swear by that thing also. So I hope you guys did enjoy today's video. These were a lot of empties, and I'm honestly so happy to be able to throw these away and have an empty basket sitting there, because when it gets so full like that and overfilling, I'm just like, oh my gosh, I really need to film this video. But I hope you guys did enjoy it. Thank you guys so much for watching. Please subscribe, and I will see you guys later. Bye, y'all.